made it here. I'm at Morro Strand campgrounds, Morro Strand State Beach, California. I just finished making coffee and actually heating up some of those sausages over over the flame. And I'm about to do some more laptop stuff. Anyway, the site is pretty much just a sandbar, which is fine because I plan on sleeping in the bus anyways. So I've got a parking spot there, and I got a parking spot back there. So I chose this one. Right now it's just sitting there. So I'll get some more footage or something later. I can finish eating and stuff. Another 20-something gigs just from the road. The bus did pretty well today. It decided after about 4.5 hours of driving, it decided it wanted to be a little bit of a pain in the butt again like it did yesterday. But it went 70, 75 miles an hour for extended stretches there. 65, 70, 75. Well, hit 75 a couple times. Wasn't supposed to, but I did while I was passing. And it seemed to have no problems with it whatsoever. It slowed back down afterwards. I could barely hit 40. And then I let it sit for a couple minutes and let the traffic go by, and it seemed fine again. And then it didn't want to hit 55, and I just slowed down and everything was fine. So I think there's some overheating going on, probably transmission. And other than the fact that the engine's cooled off, the transmission's cooled off now, it might have been a good time to check if I need to put more transmission fluid in it or something, but I don't know right now. It seems to work fine for hours, so I don't know. Oh, and I finally washed the windshield. The fuel is being a bit weird though, because yesterday when I filled it up, it was after like 80 miles. It was 11 or so gallons. This morning, it had 200 and something miles on the odometer, and it only said it needed like 10 gallons or something. So I didn't trust that very much. So I went for about another 100, about half the way here. Stopped just before the edge of the, oh my god, my brain is not working. Stop just before Salinas. Anyways, out there. And where was it again? At Morgan Hill. There you go. And put in another, filled it back up, and it said it needed 10 gallons. So I don't know. We'll see tomorrow morning when it says. I mean, the fuel gauge itself is stuck on overfull and has not moved since Oregon. I don't trust it anymore. But at least I got a good price this time, both places, compared to the last couple. So I just need to put that in the file that I have open there, and into the phone for tracking and blah 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 blah. But anyway, sitting here copying files, fun times. Some dunes between me and the actual beach, but not bad for sunset overall. Not bad. West Coast does have some good uses. Very beautiful and quite windy, by the way.